welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. It's not the first, actually. Today is Sunday the 3rd of January 2021. Before we get into this vlog, I just wanted to thank you guys for rocking with me this year, for rocking with me last year and supporting me and watching my content and supporting my content. I just wanted to say thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Yeah, so we're starting the new year off with a vlog, which I'm super excited about. I do have a few vlogs from last year are yet to go up, but I just wanted to start off with this vlog and just like welcome you guys to the new year and stuff, and then I will upload those vlogs after. Today's Sunday. I don't know why I keep saying Saturday, it feels like a Saturday. Anyway, I'm headed out for lunch with a friend named Cheyenne. I don't know if you guys know her. She goes by Shaymove on IG and YouTube. Love her. Love her stuff. So I'm headed out. I just wanted to come on here and talk about sunscreen for a second. You guys remember when I talked about this sunscreen? So basically sometime in, I think, November or early December, they did like a few tests. Some independent labs did tests on this sunscreen to test if it actually is SPF 50 plus, and they found out that it wasn't. I was very bummed. They found out it was SPF 19, which sucked. So this wasn't providing the SPF that I needed. So I went ahead and got the La Roche-Posay Anthelios SPF 50 Fluid Invisible Ultra Protection Sunscreen. I've heard so many good things about this sunscreen. However, I really do love this sunscreen. Like, the texture on this is so amazing. So I've been using it ever since I found out, but just been using it like as a moisturizer. It does have some sort of protection, and then I go over with the La Roche-Posay one. It is a bit liquidy, so I do like drop it. You're supposed to wear 2 like fingers worth of this sunscreen, but I don't. Today I'm not, because I have the other one underneath, which is SPF 19, and I really like this one. This one also doesn't leave any white cast on your skin, which I really like. Sunscreen has been a great help to my skin with the scars, especially. Like, it's played such a big role. So what we're finna do, I'm gonna leave down below where you guys can find the sunscreen. Let me go ahead and get ready quickly so I can leave the house, and I will meet you guys once I'm on my way to meet her. I think the last time you guys saw me was on Sunday. Yeah, Sunday, when I was getting ready to go meet Cheyenne. Lunch was lovely. I had such a good time. Lovely meeting her. However, did not vlog after that completely. Today is, what's the day today? Wednesday? Today is Wednesday, and it's currently 10 p.m. 10:02 to be exact. Today is Wednesday. I had some stuff to do today, but I have makeup on and I really wanted to take it off. But before I did, I just wanted to show you guys my skin, and I wanted to come here because the lighting in my bathroom is quite nice. It gives you like a studio effect type of lighting, which I really like. That way you guys can see my skin in complete rawness. I am a little bit shiny, but I don't mind the shine. I usually like when my face is shiny because I don't wear highlight these days. I put it under my foundation, and then I don't put anything over it, and then as the day goes by, my skin just gets nice and dewy and glowy, which I really like. But my skin has come from so far, and I'm super happy about that. And I just wanted to come and talk about a few of the skincare products that I've been enjoying and that I will be bringing with me in 2020. I think I should do a proper video, but I'm just gonna like mention the things a little bit right now. What I usually take off my makeup always for the past 4 months in September is the Nivea Micellar Skin Breathe Water. The cleanser that I use, I think I've mentioned it on here before, but I purchased this from Accessories Trend, and it's the CeraVe Salicylic Acid Salicylic Cleanser, renewing salicylic cleanser for normal skin. And the next thing I do, so every other night, like I said, my skin was going through it, so I decided to get some differential. Differential is basically retinol, and it's been working wonders for my skin with the texture as well. It's really helped me. The one I use is Adapalene 0.01%. It's a very low percentage, which I really like. That way it doesn't irritate my skin, and it hasn't like, I'm using this, and it's from the same place that I got this from. But I don't use this every night. I use it every other night, like, and I use like the tiniest amount. I go over with a moisturizer. I've been using this one. I got this from Glow Secret at Life. They stock a bunch of Korean skincare products, and I was really intrigued to try the Sun by Me Snail True Seca Miracle Repair Cream. This is just like the travel size. I just wanted to test it out and I really like it. It's very hydrating, non-greasy, very lightweight. I really like this. For me, moisturizer, I usually tend to like bounce around because I'm trying to find one that I really like. So I'm just trying a couple of ones that I like. Another one that I was previously using is by Mamond. It's also a Korean skincare line. It's the Ceramide Lightweight Cream. Ceramide Light Cream. Beautiful. Love that moisturizer. I just can't seem to find it. So I'm just going to use that tonight. And then to seal it all is this bad boy. I think the reason why the retinol was working so perfectly on my skin is because I've been sealing my products in with the CeraVe Healing Ointment. It's basically like petroleum jelly but on steroids because it has ceramides. It's suitable for eczema. It's just perfect for dry skin. I use a tiny amount and just seal everything and my skin doesn't like flake, especially with the retinol. My skin isn't dry. My eczema has been doing really well. I apply this on my body as well, my feet. It just makes your skin feel supple and nice and soft. We'll talk about the skin stuff some other time, but for now I'm going to take this off and then I will see you guys tomorrow because it's quite late right now. We're just gonna head to bed because I'm having a little bit of a headache. I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, friends. Don't mind the kids screaming outside. I don't know why. It's currently 11. I am getting to work right now. I have so much stuff to do. My plan today is edit a video and have it up by today. I don't care, no excuses, no nothing. I also have late lunch plans today. A few of my friends are back in town and we are gonna grab some food together. That's the main agenda for the day. Let's go. Okay. We're editing now and I don't know, I just want this vlog to go up. That's my main priority. I'm trying to be as consistent as I can this year and not be super late because I feel like the last half of last year I fumbled the bag. I didn't fumble the bag, but my time was very off. Like I was posting videos quite late, and I think what made me start posting super late was the Sigara vlog because that went super late and then everything after it was a bit too late. But hopefully we can get back on track now. I took a break from editing a bit to let my computer charge. Do you guys usually use the laptop when it charges? I don't. I like to believe, or what I've always believed, is your battery life kind of like depletes if you use your computer while it charges. So it's doing its thing. I'm kind of craving like something to eat, like lunch. I'm thinking KFC maybe. I don't know, but there's something I wanted to tell you guys. I recently got jeans from ASOS, okay? A style of jeans that I've been loving lately and which I prefer, which I feel like is so flattering to my body. I really like straight leg jeans. For me, that's a personal preference. I feel like it's flattering for my body type and my height as well. It just looks good and it kind of like the aesthetic that I like very relaxed, easygoing, and I like how you can do so much things with it. Anyway, so I bought 2 pairs of jeans from ASOS. When I was ordering, one of the sizes, I got 2 jeans, right? And they're in 2 different sizes, but lengthwise, but the fit is very different and I'm kind of upset about it. Let me just show you guys. So these are the jeans. I'll probably show you guys when I'm wearing them. It's just a very straight leg jean, a bit bell-bottomed, just a little bit like wide leg, just a little bit, but I really like the way these fit on my body. These are the ASOS design. I'm trying to see, it's not in English. Okay, so this is the ASOS design. Got it in the size 25 waist and 30, right? I think 30 is the length, I'd like to believe. And this one is so hard to go up. Like I find it so difficult finding jeans that fit me in the waist and then fit me in the waist and body at the same time. Usually I never find anything that fits me on my waist and my thighs. So I found these, and when I put them on, they fit perfectly. Like the waist is perfect, but the only issue is it's such a struggle going up my thighs. I'm very upset about that. I wish I got a larger size, which is funny because the other pair that I got is in more of like a nudie shade, like an off-white-ish color, and it's literally the same pair of jeans, literally. See, but this one is 25-32 and the waist is a bit bigger. If you guys can see, their 25 waist is that much bigger and I would have appreciated that much big in this. I just didn't expect these to be very tiny. But yeah, these are my new pieces and I really like the way they look. It looks really good. So that has been my little dilemma, but I really like the way they look. They look very fantastic on. Probably show you guys how I style them and stuff. I'm trying to get back into style content here on YouTube, which is very hard to film sometimes because I don't have the space for it to like, I don't know. I'm just trying to figure out everything out and then probably get back to you guys when I decide to film like style content and everything. I'm gonna find myself some lunch and then possibly get back to work, edit, finish. I might have plans later, which I'm not sure yet. Like I said, I was supposed to meet friends of mine who are back in town, but nothing yet is confirmed. So I'm just gonna wait on that. But until then, I'm just gonna get as much work out of the way as I can. 2021, we're being as productive as we possibly can. I'm gonna talk about a few of my goals this year later in this video or in another video. We're gonna see. Hi, today's the next day. It's currently 8 AM by the way. One of the habits that I picked up this year is trying to learn something new every morning before starting my work day. That's just helping me advance more in my career, in my life, and just learning something new. I don't know, I feel like as human beings we have to keep learning to improve ourselves. That is something that I've been doing lately, and one thing that's been helping me a lot is Skillshare. If you guys are not familiar with Skillshare, which I have talked about multiple times in my previous videos, they are a online learning community that has over 1,000 classes to help you inspire you creatively or to help build your skills, which is amazing. So this year I decided to dive into classes that are taught by Black creatives, which spark conversation or bring change, which is amazing. They have a category of classes taught by Black creatives. The one that I'm currently taking is actually a photography class. I mentioned how I plan on upping my game this year, right? And that is one of my goals that I set for this year, is just to explore different types of content within the creative space. I'm just trying to try different styles and just bring something different and not having creativity be on this like plateau, if that makes sense. The class that I've been currently taking is called Fundamentals of DSLR Photography. If you guys don't know, I own a DSLR camera. Actually, let me show you guys. So I'm back. As you guys know, I do own a DSLR camera. This is the Canon 80D. This is the kit lens that I have, and I do own another lens which is more of like a wide angle lens, and I'm looking into getting the 50mm. But I've had this bad boy for so long now, probably 3 years. This is probably one of the first cameras I started using vlogging and all that stuff. I'm sad to say I haven't made much use out of it as I would have liked to, so that's the reason why I've been taking the class. And it's taught by Justin Bridges, who is a Black creative and photographer, and he just teaches you a lot about camera. Some of the things he talks about in his class is aperture, shutter speed, exposure that you need to get the perfect picture. Very interesting because I've heard of these things before, but I've never really like paid attention to these details before. And one thing, like, I've known what it does, but I never really knew like how different shutter speed captions motion, which was mind-blowing to me. I really enjoyed this class, and hopefully I would be sharing my tips with you guys very soon on here, the ones that I learned and stuff, or you guys see the difference in my pictures soon as I embark on this new journey of photography, which I'm very excited about. Now, if you're interested in wanting to take the class yourself, you guys want to see what Skillshare is all about, on all the other amazing classes it offers, then there's a link in my description that gives the first 1,000 of you guys a free trial of their premium membership, which I'm telling you right now, you would not regret. Anyway, the link is in my description down below, so don't forget to check it out if you are keen on taking these classes. But yeah, hello guys, what a day, what a morning. I was up super early this morning, past my art cafe. Every time I'm out of the house quite early, I usually come to art cafe and I grab my, I think I've said this before, but I grab my dad and I the almond croissant combo. If you guys are not on it, you should be. Best deal they had, although they raised the price to $9.50, which to me is quite annoying because it used to be $3.50. But I'm headed home now. To get some work done, and then later today I plan on shooting content. This year I'm trying to be more consistent with my content and more planned, if that makes sense. So I'm shooting 3 outfits today, and my friend Dylan is coming with me. We're gonna go to 3 different locations and shoot probably 3 different outfits, so I'm super excited for that. But let's get home. And okay, so I'm getting ready to go out and shoot. These are the 3 outfits that I have ready. I've worn this before, but I never got to take a picture of it, so I'm doing it again. This is like the white blouse is missing, which I'm gonna wear in these 2 spots, but that is a color scheme that I'm working with today, and I'm bulk shooting this today. Okay, so I'm finally ready, and Bilan is downstairs. This is the makeup that I decided to go for. This is like my usual everyday glam that I've perfected this past year, and I'm obsessed. So I'm gonna share with you guys this look soon, but let's get going. Bella is downstairs waiting for me. Okay, so we just got to Barista and Co, the one in Riverside, and we want to take pictures in the parking lot. Sorry? That is the location number. Oh no. Yeah. Guys, I'm back home. Today was a successful day. I managed to shoot 2 outfits, which I'm so glad about. My plan was to shoot 3, honestly, but it started raining out of nowhere. Like, Nairobi weather sometimes is crazy. Like, it was so sunny all day, and then all of a sudden in the evening it started raining, so we had to cut the cameras and come home. But it was so good. I love shooting with Bella, and I've never done this before where I like bulk shoot out different outfits. I used to do that one day, 1 outfit per day, or 1 outfit whenever I want to shoot. But this time I had a plan and it was successful. Probably gonna do like better planning and better scouting for locations, because shooting in Nairobi is an extreme sport. Everywhere you go, people will be like, oh, pictures are not allowed, and I can't always go to a restaurant because that means I have to get something from the restaurant. You know what I mean? It's just, I don't know, it's very stressful, but I managed to get something out of it at least. This is it for me tonight. I will see you. I'm gonna take off this makeup. This amazing beat that I don't want to take off. Honestly, I snapped, but I'm gonna meet you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, I don't know if the music is loud, you guys can hear me, but I am at the library in Sarit Center, and I'm currently editing this vlog that you guys are watching. Today has been a very weird, I don't know, lately I've been feeling a little bit of like imposter syndrome, and I don't know what's up with that, but I don't want to dive into that right now because I feel like this music is loud, but I will talk about that later. I'm here to have some lunch, some late lunch, because it's currently like 4, and then work on this vlog because it needs to be up on the 25th. I'm also trying to change like my intro. I want to do something new this year, something new, something different. I already have like an idea of what I want to do, but I don't know if I will be able to incorporate that in this video. I'm just gonna sit here and edit. I've been doing the truth or dare challenge on Insta. Truth or dare, true or false, and the comments have been hilarious. So I'll catch you guys later.